Second half of finding the main idea for the article entitled Space Junk is after we have skim read this article and we determined that junk is the main idea and we circled that. We also made a connection between the junk, which is space junk, and the word satellite, because space junk, they tell us, is basically just a satellite is basically just something in space that orbits around another object. So once we make that connection that space junk is really another form of a satellite, we decided to include the word satellite as part of our main idea. In the second paragraph, they point out some specific things that are noted to be space junk. One is the word wires, and then also the word glove, which I see I did not circle. So we're going to circle glove now. And the next step, these are all things. Remember, your main idea is always a noun, and nouns name a person, a place, like this classroom, a thing, or an idea. So the first three kinds of nouns, person, place, or thing, are called concrete nouns. You can touch them just like you touch a concrete wall. So this noun, junk and satellite, they are things. You might not be able to reach them from the planet Earth, but if you could reach them, you could physically touch them. They are things that can physically be touched. We also noted that the title, if you look at your title, Space Junk, we said that the title is tied to the entire report by two ways. It's either directly stated or a unique feature. I'm making the shape of a U. This is a directly stated title. So we wrote that at the top, directly stated out beside the article. Now the next step. This is a little tricky because you're taking it to a higher level. We're going to look at words called pronouns. If you remember from your English classes, pronouns take the place of a noun, and it feels like you're talking about something else, but you're not. The best examples come in paragraph 2. Instead of calling the word satellites or junk, they started using the pronoun they. If you notice that, it says they were used to carry radio waves. They is the pronoun that takes the place of the small pieces of wire. The small pieces of wire are basically junk. Let's see if I can write that somewhere here for you. Maybe I'll put it up here at the top. So the main idea equals junk. Another word, junk is satellites. It's wire. It's even a glove. Could be a glove. Anything that's out that gets left out in space, it's space junk. And the last thing is the pronouns. Pronouns such as they, or the word many. What else? Even that's pretty much all I see. Others. Oh, there's another one. Let's just circle that. Get this purple here. So the pronouns I'm circling in purple. Whoops. I just highlighted. Just kidding. Edit, undo. Still practicing. I meant to go to drawing. So now, whoops. So we have three good pronouns here. The word and the word others. Get back up here. This is going to cut me off. Others. So all of those